Hi babes, welcome to another hair transformation video. Today we're unboxing the Yolissa Hair. Yolissa is our partner for today. Now let's see what's in this goodie bag. First thing first, we have what we're working with, which is of course a bust down. Up next, we have the Yolissa customized hairband and scarf, the HD wig cap, and an edge control brush. This unit is a 24-inch HD lace 250 density, period. Make sure you check the description box of this video where I will attach the shopping link. Cause baby, this unit is tea. And I want us to twin, you know? See the material now. Straight out of the bag, lace wear. No lace, baby. Now that we're done unboxing, let's get into the process of putting my hair in a sleek bun. Hi bubbles. Anywho, I made sure to make this video as detailed as possible for all my girlies. Because we don't gatekeep, and I want every girl watching this video to know how to lay her frontal all by herself and keep it clean and flawless as she should. If you have any questions concerning this video, feel free to use the comment section and I'll be answering. I love you. Now let's enjoy the transformation process together. I'm excited.
Cap in a stem, pack a wave on us. Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. I'm blue sky walking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a birthday. Things come, feel all that weight up. Don't wait to jump in too long. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. I'm outstanding, so I stand out. I'm more babes than a bathhouse. Top gun on my thumb cruise. Play for keeps and I don't lose. You more than love it cause I'm cool as a breeze. So pick the poison, yeah, I got what you need. Nonchalant, got the green, I'm a patient all night. We gon' keep it psychedelic like a cap in a stem, pack a wave on us. Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. I'm blue sky walking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a birthday. Things come, feel all that weight up. Don't wait to jump in too long. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Wildin' on my haters. In my 23s, having a Jordan moment. Wildin' with the paper. Ice all on my chain. I just popped 2 up, you staying up. Hanging with the gang, that shit dangerous. I can fuck you with my chains, them shit take a look. Yeah, come and catch your way, take one out my cup. Yeah, damn the OD, yeah, damn the police. Wildin' in that beat, yeah, moving up your street. When we on the creek, can't be saying to the beat. Ain't no day, ain't no night, make no plans, ain't no sleep. Cap in a stem, catch a wave on us. Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. I'm blue sky walking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a birthday. Things come, feel all the weight up. Don't wait to jump in too long. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. I was losing, but I'm better now. All games I've been wrapping up. Grip the dead, the pool like a matador. Right now I'm higher up in Canada. Cap in a stem, pack a wave on us. Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. I'm blue sky walking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a birthday. Things come, feel all that weight up. Don't wait to jump in too long. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up.
I been missing out the walk with the minute. I been building up the blocks like a million. Elliot got water dripping out the city. Oh my God, oh my God. I been building up the blocks like a million. Elliot got water dripping out the city. Oh my God, boy he got a God. Oh my God, boy that boy on top. Sipping walk, make my heart stop. All these hoes, yeah my love my thigh. Yo, let her go. Put her on roll, put that on payroll, put that on go. Yeah, she like to go, yeah, she love to blow. Get that dick so, like a snow cone. Yo, get that bag, show 'em how to ball. I'm in hey, Cardi being pimpin', hey, Cardi being kick the shit in, hey, yeah, give me a minute, hey, I need a minute, hey, Cardi walkin', Cardi making, hey, Cardi making hit, hey, we gon' need some linen, hey, we gon' need Margiela, hey, make sure you ain't no linen, hey, make sure I got linen, yeah, money out the ceiling, got me looking in, hey, what, we be getting in, understanding, hey, what, I be at sad bitches, ain't no dealers, hey, I be at sad bitches, ain't no messes, hey, fucking on your baby, I'm a greater baby, hey, what, 21, hey, sitting on 2 mil, hey, yeah, I got a deal, hey, might sign another deal, hey, get my partner deal, hey, if I go to jail, hey, money for the bill, hey, money on the scale, hey, give me a minute, yeah, I need a minute, hey, I'm a minute, I'm need a minute, hey, I'm gonna tell you, hey, Cardi being pimpin'.
Brand new. He's acting like they running shit they really ran through. I spend that 500 before I ever trap you. They thought I was gonna fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. So many rats, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. She make you pay, rich, get you both. Gave a Bentley to valet and let that try to boat. Let me pop off, leave the club, sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks out. Heard from the south, he tryna see me knock his socks off. Told him, meet me at the top, think they got lost. Like Reese. She thought I would kiss her, she must ain't took a mix. Around my neck, it cuffs arm and leg. Swear they said for life, I let them give me praise. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Left me to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a problem, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Left me to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a problem, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor.
And this is our final look. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. See, if you leave me, I'll keep on saying I love it. Yolissa, you ate with this unit. This water curls, 13x6, 24-inch, baby. It is beautiful. I love how it sits on my head like a crown. Oh, the lace is invincible. Look how happy this hair got me feeling. Yolissa, thank you so much, and thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed putting it together.
See you in the next video. And be ready to die. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Left me to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a problem, imaginary smoke. Set it up,